The M3 Lee/Grant, a medium tank utilized during World War II, holds a distinctive place in military history. Born from the urgency of wartime production and the need to quickly bolster Allied armored forces, the M3 became emblematic of the challenges and innovations of the era. This essay seeks to delve deeply into the design, deployment, strengths, weaknesses, and lasting impact of this iconic vehicle, examining its role within the broader context of World War II. The genesis of the M3 Lee/Grant can be traced back to the early years of World War II, when the United States found itself in dire need of a capable medium tank. Facing the realities of combat in North Africa and Europe, American military planners recognized the shortcomings of existing designs and prioritized the development of a new vehicle that could match the firepower and armor of contemporary adversaries. The M3 emerged as a response to this imperative, drawing inspiration from both British and American design philosophies. Its unusual configuration, featuring a hull-mounted 75mm gun and a turret-mounted 37mm gun, was a compromise aimed at maximizing firepower while minimizing production time and cost. This unorthodox layout, inherited from British tank design principles, allowed for a larger main gun without the need for a larger turret, streamlining the manufacturing process and accelerating deployment. Despite its innovative features, the M3 was not without its drawbacks. The limited traverse of the 75mm gun, which was fixed within the hull, posed significant tactical challenges, restricting its effectiveness in dynamic combat situations. Additionally, the cramped interior and lack of a fully rotating turret compromised crew efficiency and battlefield awareness, further complicating its operational utility. The M3 Lee/Grant made its combat debut in the deserts of North Africa, where it faced off against Axis forces in some of the most grueling and unforgiving terrain of the war. Initially fielded by British and Commonwealth units, the tank quickly earned a reputation for its formidable firepower and robust armor protection. However, its tactical shortcomings soon became apparent, particularly in engagements against more maneuverable and tactically flexible German tanks. Despite these challenges, the M3 played a crucial role in stemming the tide of Axis advances in North Africa, providing Allied forces with much-needed fire support and armored firepower. Its reliability and ease of maintenance endeared it to crews, who often praised its durability and resilience in the face of enemy fire. However, as the war progressed and German armor improved, the limitations of the M3 became increasingly apparent, necessitating the development of more advanced and capable tank designs. The M3 Lee/Grant possessed several notable strengths that contributed to its effectiveness on the battlefield. Chief among these was its impressive firepower, courtesy of the 75mm M2/M3 gun mounted in the hull. This weapon, capable of firing high-explosive, armor-piercing, and anti-tank rounds, provided Allied forces with a potent means of engaging enemy armor and fortifications. Additionally, the M3 boasted commendable armor protection, with frontal armor thickness ranging from 51 to 63 mm, depending on the variant. This level of protection was sufficient to withstand most small arms fire and shrapnel, providing crews with a degree of survivability in combat situations. However, these strengths were tempered by significant weaknesses that limited the tank's overall effectiveness. The fixed position of the 75mm gun within the hull restricted its traverse to a narrow arc, hindering its ability to engage targets effectively in all directions. This limitation made the M3 vulnerable to flanking maneuvers and ambushes, compromising its offensive capabilities on the battlefield. Furthermore, the lack of a fully rotating turret posed significant challenges for crew coordination and situational awareness, particularly in fast-paced combat environments. Crews often struggled to acquire and engage targets quickly, leading to delays and inefficiencies in combat operations. Despite its shortcomings, the M3 Lee/Grant left an indelible mark on the annals of military history. Its innovative design, though flawed, represented a crucial step forward in the evolution of armored warfare, paving the way for subsequent generations of medium tanks. The lessons learned from its combat deployment informed the development of more advanced and capable armored vehicles, such as the M4 Sherman and the M26 Pershing, which would go on to play pivotal roles in the Allied victory. Moreover, the M3's widespread use and production highlighted the importance of industrial capacity and logistical support in modern warfare. Its rapid production and deployment underscored the vital role of the American industrial machine in supplying Allied forces with the equipment needed to prosecute the war effort effectively. In conclusion, the M3 Lee/Grant stands as a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of wartime engineers and manufacturers. Despite its limitations, it served admirably on the battlefields of World War II, providing Allied forces with a much-needed armored capability during a critical period of the conflict. Its legacy endures as a reminder of the sacrifices made and the innovations forged in the crucible of war, forever etched in the annals of military history.